As I said, our HR had been organizing HR training every year, lots of training. But this was the best session. I guess, everyone must be of the same opinion. This was the most fruitful session. Fruitful in the sense we enjoyed the most. And you did not sound as in you have come here for training. You have come here to impart or to improve someone, at least few people's life. Your efforts were directed towards that, which was very commendable.
The morning I entered the room, I was having a different perception. Too young looking. And mindfulness, I was not aware it is getting connected also. You have opened our eyes, mind, ears, नवद्वार खोल दिया आप और दो चीजों में आपने जो अनुभूति दिलाई जब आप ब्रीदिंग वगैरह करवा रहे थे, लिटरली वी वर लॉस्ट. I was lost. Others, I cannot comment or I cannot say on them. Yes, I have lost. I had lost. And it was a wonderful experience. And I'm sure this will be a good learning.
So thank you so much. And we really like this session. And this is the first time I think we practice this breathing exercise in the session. We generally do it, but not focusing into it. And there's no presentation. Still, the people are so engaged throughout the session. And I think now the evening and the future will be in the better minds. Right? Thank you so much.